How to use Snapchat dark mode. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use your Snapchat in dark mode. It is a very simple and easy process. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for Snapchat application. Now look for updates that may be available for the Snapchat app. If there are updates available, update it, or else open Snapchat on your device. In Snapchat, make sure you are logged in to your account. From your recording page, tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now you will land to your profile section. From your profile section, tap on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. In your settings, scroll down and under My Account, click on App Appearance. Now inside, you will see options such as Match System, Always Light, Always Dark, and Custom. Select Always Dark if you want the dark mode. If you have set your system appearance as dark mode, then you can click on Match System to set it as default. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.